Morning everyone, and welcome to our monthly team meeting status. Before we dive into our updates, I'd like to quickly go over our agenda for today. So, our meeting objectives: review progress and on the current projects, discuss any challenges or roadblocks, allocate resource for upcoming tasks, foster collaboration and communication among team members. So here is our agenda: welcome and introduction, review of action items from last meeting, project status update, identification of roadblocks or challenges, discussion on resource allocation, any other businesses, next step and action items, and of course the closing remarks. So review and action items. Complete market research for new product launch. So the status for this one have completed, and the finalized budget proposal for Q2. So the status for this one is still in progress, which is 75% in progress. And schedule meeting training sessions to a new software, which has a pending status, which is to be scheduled. So project status update. So for the project 1, which is the website redesign project. So for the progress, design phase completed, development phase is 60% complete. Then the challenges is resource constraints leading to delays in development. And for the milestones, launch scheduled for end of the month. And for the second project, which is marketing campaign launch, so the progress for this one is awaiting for the final approval, and the content creation had completed. So the challenges: issues with vendor coordination for print materials, and for the milestone is launch date set for the next week, so which is first week of March. So resource allocation, key discussion points. Types of resources are time, budget, and the manpower. Factors to consider: project priorities and resource availability. Concerns and considerations: potential budget constraints and resource allocation conflicts. So the next step or the actions to be made or to make is to first action or for the item 1, complete development phase of website redesigning project, assigned to the development team, and the deadline for that is on the 16th of February 2024. And the action item 2, coordinate final approval for meeting campaign launch materials, assigned to marketing team, and deadline for that was on 16th of February 2024 as well. And action item number 3 is scheduled team training sessions on new software, assigned to HR department, which the deadline for that was on the 17th of February. So any questions and clarifications for this one?
That's fantastic, Shai. Any roadblocks or challenges you have encountered?
Currently, I'm working on finalizing the marketing materials and coordinating with the design team for the campaign visuals. Everything is on track to meet our deadline. At the moment, Karen, we've been able to address any issues as they arise and keep the project moving forward smoothly. Anything else?
Wonderful. Well, thank you all for your contributions and updates. Let's keep up the great work, and I'll see you in our next meeting. Take care, everyone.